If you want to go ahead and collect out a rating from your users, then you can go ahead and add in a star rating field as well. So to do that, you can see that I am in the form editing field. So now I can go to add element right here on the left hand side, and I can go ahead and scroll down under basic, and here you can see that star rating is an option under survey elements. Simply click right here and the star rating is here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say rate our service right here, just like this. And then you can see 5-star right here. You can even add in a sub-label, and let's say, for example, rate so that we can improve our service and to let us know how we are doing. So you can go ahead and add in a sub-label right here as well, just like this. So if I were to preview out the form, you will be able to see that particular field right here. And you can see that users can click and then select the rating for it. But let me just go ahead and turn it off and see the properties that you can set for this particular field as well. So to do that, you can go around onto properties, and here you can see that the field label is here. You can go ahead and change it from over here, as you can see. And then you can change the label alignment to be on the left, to be on the right, or top as you need. So let's say this is supposed to be on the right here, because there's not much stars that I need to select from. So you can see that this is set as a form default, meaning if I were to actually go ahead and bring in the star rating again, you can see that the label alignment is already on the right as per what we chose right here in this field. Now let me just go ahead and remove this field right here and go back to this field and then onto properties for it. You can set this field as required right here, or make it as optional by going ahead and then disabling this. And then over here, you can see the sub-label as well. So you can go ahead and then change the text as you want as well. So I'm just going to say rate our service to let us know how we are doing. So this is what I have, as you can see. So besides that, you can duplicate out this field as you can duplicate out any other field. Let me just go ahead and remove this because I don't need that. And then I'm going to go to the properties again. So over here on the top, you got the option. And here you can see that you can even change the rating icon like hearts. You can go for light bulbs. You can go for like electric stairs, flag, and so forth, as you can see. Let's just go around for hearts right here. Then you can even change the rating amount to, let's say, for example, 10 right here, or even 20, as you can see right here, depending on what you need. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in 7 right here. Then you can go to advanced right here and preload it with a default value. Let's say, for example, I can say 3 right here. And I can add in a hover text to it as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, please rate our service and let us know what you think right here, just like this. You can shrink out this field as well, just like this over here. And you can go ahead and place it, let's say, for example, besides any other field right here. So let's just go ahead and place it. You can move this to new line as well, and even temporarily hide the field from the users as well. If you want to see more details of this particular field, you can go to the field detail right here and then see the name of this field in a coding level as well, and even go ahead and change it out. For example, I'm going to say rate our service right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and remove the shrink right here because I want the full service, and over here I'm going to go ahead and set the label alignment to right. So let me just go to the preview form section right here, and once that is done, what happens is that I will be able to preview this. So over here, if I were to go ahead and scroll down, you can see that I can go ahead and select the heart level to however I like. And as I hover over, you can see it says, please rate our service and let us know what you think right here. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize the star rating field inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.